The Digital Club's activity was really designed around becoming media savvy. We know that students and teachers are constantly being exposed to media from all different channels.
Media now has democratized the opportunity for voice, but it has also increased the necessary development of media literacy skills.
So we wanted to give them the skills, the vocabulary, and the ability to become critical thinkers when presented with that media. Just like we learned how to read a book, we need to learn how to read the stuff that we see on the internet, because that is the kind of stuff that will help us make sure that we're not sharing false information with our friends.
The question to begin to ask yourself is, what type of information is being shared? Who's sharing it? Why are they sharing it? And what does it mean for me?
The first project was to be able to find media that accurately describes who they are. We want to follow along so we can get a better picture of what it's like to live in Australia or what it's like to live in PNG. That's a process that we wanted them to go through because, one, they critically start looking at their own media and they start going, is this truthful? Does this represent me? Is this an accurate description of who I am? The second and final project that we did, we wanted our students to create some sort of advertisement, some sort of poster that takes one of the themes that we covered and embellishes that. And it was amazing to see these projects come in.
We need to be tech savvy because we will educate our peers, our parents or people back at home that everything is not always true.
I think when we look at their projects, we know that they attach themselves to some ideas. One of the outcomes we wanted for these students is to be able to become critical thinkers, really thinking critically about the media that they're consuming. Because we know that these students potentially could go on to become creators. We're hoping that because they have this media literacy that they've developed, that they become more responsible creators.